So a stock trading company charges a commission of $15 per trade plus this amount, 25 cents, or actually 2.5 cents per dollar value of stock traded. If your commission was $120, what was the value of the stock you traded? Okay. So again, we can set this up with an X and an equation and solve it, but it's kind of fun to just do a little bit of kind of guessing at the beginning. So like we're looking for the value of stock. So let's just kind of guess to begin with, right? So let's say the value of the stock was something, and we're going to figure out the commission. Right, so let's say the value of the stock was $1,000. What would the commission on that be? So press pause, everyone, on the video and just try to figure out the commission. So what we need to do is read this line here. The company charges the commission of $15, right? Plus that per dollar value of stock traded. And I'm telling you, imagine this, you've traded $1,000 of stock, so the commission is $15 plus this for every one of these dollars, right? So as you say, 0.025 times 1,000, right? So trading $1,000 worth of stock gives us 15 plus this times 1,000. Now, by the way, if I multiply this by 1,000, what happens to the decimal point? Yeah, 1, 2, 3 over there, right? And that gives us, right, so we got 15 plus 25, which is what? Yeah, $40, right? So $40, right? So to trade $1,000 of stock from, you know, Amazon to Apple or whatever, that's $40, right? Now what they're saying is the commission was 120, right? The commission was 120. So what was the value of the stock? So the value of the stock is unknown, right? We'll call that X. So how much would it be to trade an X value of stock? Yeah. 50. Yeah, exactly. 15 plus 0.025 times X, right? Exactly. And that gives the commission. This will calculate the commission, and the commission should be 120, right? And look what we have as an equation. We can solve that now. Subtract 15 for both sides. And that equals 105, right? Divide both sides by 0.025. Right? And now we do have a bit of work to do on the division, because it's 0.025 into 105, right? Yep. And we got to move this decimal point 1, 2, 3 places over so that it becomes 25, like a whole number, into, but this must move over 3 spots as well. Put a decimal point in a bunch of zeros and move it 1, 2, 3 spots over. So it's 105,000. See that? And now we do our long division, right? So 25 and 105. 4, good. 4 times 25, 100. Subtract, and we get 5. Bring down a 0. Right, 25 into 50 twice. Yep. 2 times 5, 50. Yep. And then 25 into this 0, 0. 25 into this 0, 0. 4,200, right? So what I'm getting is X equals 4,200. I do want to check that though, because I'm going to check. So what we're saying is if remember when we sold 1,000 value of stock, it was $40 commission. This is supposed to be 120. So let's check if it's 4,200. Again, it should be 15 plus 0.025 times 4,200, and that should give us 120. Well, let's see. We've got to multiply. Here's a long multiplication now. 4,200, 0.025. 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 2 is 10, carry 1, times 4 is 20, and 1 is 21. Put a 0 down, multiply by 2. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, add, and we get 0, 0, 0, 5, 10. And there are 1, 2, 3 decimal points in the question, so 1, 2, 3 of them in the answer. So 105.00, so 105. So this thing becomes 15 plus 105. What's that? 120. Okay, so smiley face, that did work out. Yep, good. So the answer is 4,200. $4,200 of value of stock was traded for a commission of $120. Yep.